Welcome back at X Blocks.
Today's recipe is Shaami Kabab with a twist. Come, let's see how it can be made. You will need 1 cup of chana dal. I have washed it. 250 grams of mutton boneless. 1 medium-sized onion chopped. 1 medium-sized tomato chopped. 1 tablespoon of ginger and garlic paste. 3 pods of garlic. Green chilies 3. A handful of coriander leaves. Coconut half a cup. Dry red chilies 2. 1 teaspoon of salt. 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Quarter teaspoon of garam masala. Add all of the mentioned ingredients to a pan and add 1.5 cups of water. The mutton I'm using does not cook very easily, so I have added some extra water. Depending on your mutton, you can add water accordingly. Mix everything well and leave it on low to medium flame for 15 to 20 minutes. We want the water to completely dry out. Once the water starts to boil, put it on low flame and keep stirring for the water to dry out. As you can see, the water has dried out completely. Now I am removing it from fire and allowing it to cool. Once it's completely cooled down, grind it. So our Shaami Kabab dough is ready. I'm adding 1 egg white to this. You can also add roasted Bengal gram powder to this. Both the ingredients help in binding. Here I have 1 boiled egg which I will cut into slices. To make the patties, grease your hands with oil or ghee. Take a handful of the Shaami Kabab dough and flatten it out. Place an egg slice in the center and cover with more of the Shaami dough. Make sure to seal all the edges. Similarly, make all of these. You can also make the Shaami without the egg. You can make plain shamis ahead and store it in the freezer for up to a month. I would recommend not to use the egg if you are storing it for long. You can store the dough as well in an airtight container. Moving on, you can either deep fry these or shallow fry in a pan if you're health conscious. Deep fry these patties on low to medium flame until they form a nice color. Remove to a paper towel and allow for the oil to be absorbed. This works great as a starter. It's also a great snack or a side. So do try this recipe and let us know in the comment section. If you are a new viewer, then do subscribe to our channel for more amazing such recipes. Thanks for watching. Until next time, bye bye.
Bye bye.